Good afternoon, students. Today we will practice our sound words. Here I have prepared a worksheet related to all sound words as revision. You have to take a printout of this worksheet of your notebook size and then paste it in your notebook, and then you have to color it and fill them. So let's get started. Question. First, always read the question whenever you start. Read the word and tick the related picture, right? You have to read the word given here, and there are two pictures given in a box. Can you see this? Fine. So we have to read P-A-N, pan. P-A-N, pan. Here is a picture of a pan and a cap. So our right picture is P-A-N, pen. So our right picture is P-A-N, pan. We have to put a small tick above this. Fine. Now we'll come to our next word, that is B-E-D, bed. Now see, we are given two pictures. One is of leg, L-E-G, leg, and other is of B-E-D, bed. So put a small tick mark above the picture. Now our third word is P-I-G, pig. There is P-I-G, pig, and a P-I-N, pin. So we will put a tick mark above a pig. Other word, B-O-X, box. There is B-O-X, box, and F-O-X, fox picture. So we have to see the correct picture and put a simple tick mark. C-U-P, cup. There is a picture of cup given and a mug. See, this is the size. This is the shape of a cup, and when it comes to rectangle or cylinder, it is a mug, right? So this is a cup in which your mother, father have tea. Fine. Now here, our next word, J-A-M, jam. So we have two picture, B-A-T, bat, J-A-M, jam. We have to put a tick mark on the right picture. P-E-N, pen. Here we have given P-E-N, pen, and here is N-I-B, nib. This is called only nib. This is not a pen, this is a nib of a pen. So here we have to tick a pen. Z-I-P, zip. This is zip, and this is a picture of a bib. So we are going to put a tick mark on the zip. T-O-P, top, and here we have two pictures related to that. This is P-O-T, pot. Please see the difference. This is P-O-T, pot, and this is T-O-P, top. This is the difference between the two pictures. Here P starts, the word starts with P, so P-O-T, pot, and T, so T-O-P, top. Here we have to put the tick mark. In these two pictures, children get very much confused, and they make a mistake in this. Okay, so please give proper practice of this too. M-U-G, mug. As I have told you earlier also, a cylinder shape is mug. Fine. M-U-G, mug. Here I had showed you this is a mug, and even this is a mug. Okay. Now the other word. This is the second worksheet. Write the missing letter of the given word. There are 30 words given, and we have to fill the letters which I have written. You have to only just fill the word. Fine. Now here our first word is P-I dash. So here you can put P-I-N, pin also, and if you put P-I-G also, then is also right. So anything you can put, P-I-N, pin also, or P-I-G, pig also. Okay. Now our second word, E-G, egg. E-double-G, egg. Now here P-I-G, pig. So it's better, I have given the third word P-I-G, pig. So if you don't put this, it's okay. Fine. Put here only PIN, pin. Both are right, but here we have given in the third line PIG, pig. So it will be same. So here put PIN, pin, and here PIG, pig. Okay. Now our fourth word is JA. 1 time, 2 time, 3 time. Your children tend to make a mistake of N. Fine. They write your N, but here we have to come 3 times down. Okay. Now CUP, cup. CUP, cup. FOX, fox. PEN, pen. BUN, bun. BIN, bin. Or even we can put here BIB, bib. Both are right, bin and bib. Okay. CAT, cat. HUT, hut. HEN, hen. MUG, mug. PEN, pen. NET, net. Now your BAT, bet. BED, bed. NIB, nib. BOX, box. CAP, cap. TEN, ten. ZIP, zip. BOX, box. NUT, nut. TOP, top. POT, pot. SUN, sun. LEG, leg. DOG, dog. And CUP, cup. Fine. Now we have completed our 30 missing words. You can do the same in your notebook also and finish it. And then we have made a group, right? You all must have been seen. All have seen, and most probably all have joined also the new group. You all can send your pictures of your work and your videos in the group. If you are in class A, UKG A, you will join UKG A only. And if you are in UKG B, you will join UKG B group only. And you all are going to send the respective work in that group. Fine? Not on my personal wall or Rita ma'am's personal wall. Fine? Okay, bye. Have a good day. Stay home, stay safe. God bless.